I'm going to show you how to set up the Simple station. Step 1, you want to attach the armbar to the Simple station. First thing is align the two holes as close as you can. Step 2, we're going to install the screen clamp onto the station. And you want to make sure that this is facing the top part, the bigger screw part. Next, step 3, we're going to install the 2 bolts onto the machine. First, you want to lift this up. It's right under here. Step number 4, we're going to install the spring and the hook onto the machine. So step number 5 is we're going to install these 2 plastic handles onto the machine. Alright, now let's work on the pallet board. For step 6, we're going to install the bracket to the pallet board. You can choose to use a screwdriver or a drill. Finish up putting these bolts on each side. Final step is let's connect the pallet board to the main body of the press. So after you're done building the machine, you want to make sure you adjust the pallet according to your that's suitable for you. You can adjust the bottom and the 2 sides and make sure it's aligned and it's not crooked. That's important too when you're doing silk screen. Okay, now that you have your silk screen machine all ready, there's 4 holes, 4 slots that you can install these screws and a washer. And you can bolt it down or hard bolt it to like a workbench or a table, which it can help you do silk screening better. So make sure you use these 4 screws and washers.